Welcome back to my channel, the Fishing Backer UK. Welcome to Newquay, where this year's Weekend Species League is taking place. Packed and ready to go to Newquay in Cornwall. Here I am, near to Exeter, about 100 miles to go to Newquay. Literally just arrived at the Premier Inn in Newquay, Cornwall Downs. It's been a wet ride, last 90 miles or so, really wet. I'm still in my waterproofs, but that's a room. Hello. It's another couple of hours before I meet up with the boys for the registration for the 2 days Species League competition. More about that later. So, leaving the Premier Inn. Fairly decent Premier Inn. So I'm here at Cornwall Downs in Newquay. Fishing for the Species League is taking place in Newquay itself. Turn right here into Newquay. Obviously expanding Newquay. Very popular place, very touristy place. Welcome to Newquay, where this year's Weekend Species League is taking place. Towards the lake here, and what a beautiful lake that is. Nice and sunny, but very windy. Fishing at least partially in doubt. More about that later. Oh, nice garden. And a viaduct there. Ah. All very Latin, hey? I did. Fishing on Atlantis.
Yeah, I've been here fishing, species league, so different species get different points. You want to catch the ones that score the higher points. There's also points for the number of species and so on, all very complex, but you wonder, how do I do that on a motorbike? Travel rods and reels. Obviously got to scale down on the number of equipment I bring, so in terms of number of tracers and so on and so forth. Yeah, having said that, if you've got a rough idea of what you're going to catch, you can actually scale it down and still compete. So I didn't win my boat, but I had the same number of species as the winner yesterday. So everything's possible. Travel rods these days, or carbon fiber, they're good enough. So all immensely doable, apart from the saddlebags that are mounted to the motorbike, which is a Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage. So apart from the saddlebags, I've got two pieces of luggage, if you wish. One tackle box and a backpack. In the backpack I would have like the reels, the rods, my clothes, a wash bag. So all the sort of things you need for a weekend trip.
It's probably the biggest thing I've ever fished.
Yeah, that was...
We're just leaving the place where the hotel is. No fishing today due to the wind. For anybody who's wondering, I've got the old Teletubby set up. So I've got my GoPro Hero 3 mounted on top of the helmet. What a view, hey? Very hilly here in Cornwall. I just put the sun visor down Always good to ride in perfect weather. Today's Saturday. Going near Bodmin now and see if I can join a park run there. GPS is telling me 19 miles, so Saturday morning traffic. Towards Bodmin. Well, that looks awful, even in the direction I'm going to. Okay, getting off here. Lanhydrock, or Lanhydrock, however you pronounce it. That's where I'm going to. Lanhydrock Parish. Please drive carefully. Try our best. The rubber side down, shiny side up. There's a car park here. Obviously confused the GPS with that, and I've got absolutely no idea where I am in relation to anything. Like a bit of rough bit. You said somewhere there, yeah? Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Yeah, a very friendly man just told me to follow the sign House and Gardens. House and Garden. Here we go. Yeah, what a place this is. They say it's another, whatever, 10 minutes of walk to get there. Hey ho. I think I found where the run starts. Over there. Have a look at that. So that's the Lanhydrock park run done. Walking back to the old Harley and go back to Newquay.
I'm in dire need of a shower now.
To visit Plymouth Harley-Davidson. I bought a shirt there, but nothing else.
back home safely. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. The Fishing Biker UK.